Hello everyone, today I am just starting a if-else-if statement and also known as ladder. So first recite a definition. What is if-else-if ladder statement? The if-else-if statement is used to execute one code from multiple conditions. That means when there is many conditions are given in our program and every condition is different in every block. Okay, so we use a if-else-if ladder statement for execution of our program, and they run sequentially and match every block, and which block is matched is execute, and then program come out from condition. So here this is the syntax of if statement. Firstly you write a if condition 1, you explain here. This is also called the expression condition, whatever you want to call this, and here the block 1 is executed if it is true. If this if condition is true, then this block is executed. And the next one is we write here else if condition 2 passed here, and if it is true, block 2 code is executed, and if it is false, then it's come on else if condition. It's condition 3, block 3 is executed if it is true. And now the condition is now we at the final stage we just write a else statement. So else statement is a default statement. It means if all the condition is getting false, then the else default block is executed. If every condition 1, condition 2 and condition 3, if every condition is getting false, then it's execute the else statement. So now here we just going to take an example to write a program, simple program that you all understand with a practically. So I just firstly define a header file as include standard input output.h. This is a header file. Now we write a main function with return type int. Okay, now curly braces, open this. Now here we just define a data member with an int type and variable name is n, and if you wanted to initialize this, either we just declared it only. So here just I initialize with 0. Okay, now here we just come there and just defining a program. This program tells about to add, subtract, multiply and division options. Which option do you want to take, and which program do you want to goes to continuous on that program. So this is a simple program to choose an option only. Okay, so here we just write a printf function, and inside the printf function with a double quote, and inside this we just use some escape sequence. So here we just choosing for escape sequence for a new line \n and \t for a tag. Okay, here we just write for one option we just do add. Now semicolon, close this printf. Again we just taking a printf for a second option, double quote. Again we take a escape sequence for a new line, and for a tag space we take second option here 2. We just write here sub. Okay, we just write full subtract. Now semicolon, close it, printf. Again take for next option, again it's same \n \t. Third option for multiply. Okay, now semicolon, and the fourth option, this is last option, we take here double quote \n \t, choose 4, and this option is for division. So here we just print these options on a console, that the user see which option does he wanted to take it out. Okay, here we just print f. So here we just ask to user which option do you select. So we just write here select the number. Okay, that is n. Now close this statement. Now we just take a semicolon for a good look. Now we just use a scanf function for read the input from our console. Okay, what user enter the number. So here we just taking an integer type data member. So here just we take a format string %d. Now comma, here we just pass an address of that. So we take a variable name n, here we just pass n only. Now next, now here we just starting our if-else-if ladder statement. Now first we write if, and inside the if we just check it what the user is enter. So here we just select n equal to we check here if user is selected 1, and if it is equal to 1, then here we just print f. We just say to user you are selected, you are select the option for add. Okay, now close this statement. If is complete. Now next we just take else space if. Okay, inside the else if, the next else if statement, here we just check the next output. Okay, okay, the next statement we take here else if space if. On the next one we just write n equal to 2 if user enter 2. Here we just pass the output print f, and just to write the same, you are select the option for subtract. Okay, now close this else if. Again we write else if. Inside the next we just take n equal to 3 if user enter 3. Open a else if statement. Here we just print the same, but you are selected, you are select the option for multiply. Okay, now again we take a else if. Again we just if user enter 4, then it's come here and printf, because on a fourth option it is division. So here we just write inside the printf you are select the option for division. Okay, now the if else if statement is completed. Now here we just check that if these all our statement are false, are going to false, then it's can on a else statement and execute this block. So here we just write you are selected invalid number, you are selected invalid number or option, whatever you want. Okay, now close this statement. Now our else if ladder statement is completed, and we just return something, because here we just take a main function with a return type in, so we have returned some integer type. Here we just return 0. Okay, for a successful execution. So here we just check one. Okay, this is wrong, one thing, option. Okay, so now I save my program with a file name ladder.c, and we just compile and execute with the cmd. So now open a cmd command prompt and we just compile and execute this program. So our program is on desktop, so we just change our directory and go into desktop. Okay, now change directory. So you all know that how to compile a C program with a cmd. So just write gcc dash lowercase o, write an object file, which object file name you want to take it. We just here take a ladder, simple, and we just write full name ladder.c and just click enter. Our compilation is completed. Now we just execute this object file ladder, simple, writing ladder only for the execution. Enter it. Here you all see that here come that add, subtract, multiply, division, and here it is just select the number. Okay, so now we just select the number. I think we select 2. Okay, it's came here. You are selected the option for subtract, and I just make it better. Here we just take a escape sequence \n for looking better on our console. We just save it, again we run it. First compile it and then run it. Okay, here you all see that select the number. Here we just select 4, and 4 is for division. Next, enter. You are select the option for division, so that is for option. And if we have not taken any option, it's just going on a else statement. So just check it how it is. Just compile it. Now take any other number like 5. Yeah, 5 is not in our option, so it just go on else statement, and here we just saw on a console you are selected invalid option. So this is the example of if-else-if ladder statement, and in the next I just explained about the nested if statement, if-else statement. So thanks for watching.